Greetings and salutations. This is Carla Moore from MooreTalkJa and also from More Fitness, right? Now, as you have noticed by my lack of updating, me kind of drop off of the fitness bandwagon. I regular something, I drop off regular, but I always climb on back. So I climb on back now and I'm doing this total fit 30-day cardio challenge, right? So how it works is you sign up for it and for 30 days, this man send you every morning, him send you like a challenge for the day. So him tell you what you have to do, how you have to eat. You're supposed to consume half of your body weight in ounces of water. That's a plenty water for me. I have to drink the one of them. Anyway, so it go right and it's free and it's online and it's social media based and I try to get like 1 million people to do something. So me and the man did I get on fine. Him bear a little resemblance to Shaun T. Somebody kind of suspect him, but me say alright, plenty people have pale skin and like them have bald head and like them muscular. So me not go judge the man. Only to find out on day 3 that the man is a Shaun T in disguise. The man is one wolf in sheep's clothing. So now today the man tell me say me is a beginner, me not put myself in an intermediate. Him say if me is a beginner, for 20 minutes we must do the following exercise and see how many circuits of the exercises me can do, right? I'm gonna tell you the exercise then me do. So the first thing I must do is I must jog for 5 minutes and warm up my body. So I jog for the 5 minutes in my room, I take time tiptoe, come in one woman downstairs for call police pan with yes child, our new thing. She no bother call we and tell me not about the nice again, she just call police straight. So I take time, tiptoe on for the 5 minutes and whatever. So I say my body want me and do them something with my hand. Come and say yes, man, I could get the most out of the workout. Then the man say me for do 25 prisoner squat. Now the prisoner squat is a regular squat, but you put your hands. So me I try to understand why in a prison you have to do it something. I know if I because like you have the handcuff back of yours or me don't know because I figure as a prisoner you don't want to cover up your body. It seems to be opening your body a lot and me not touch your body. So I'm going to do the 25 prisoner squat. Through me I do the squats them regular, my foot them kind of seize up and so. But anyway, me say I feel good because I can do the squats. Now I must do 10 push-up side punches, which means if you go down in the push-up now, come up back so you have to do so with your hand. And you come and you do so with the next and you're supposed to do 10 of them on either side. Now between me and you and everybody with on YouTube, when you don't know some can do push-up down, when you know some body to make for the push-up. So I'm going to go up on my knee, I'm going to go as far as my hand will carry me, which is this far. Push up back and do the little something. So I'm going to go through that. Me and him go and panka. Then the man tell me I must do a jump, squat, step back. Make I tell you something. Exercise is not food. It is not stew. You don't need to mix up so much something in a one. So I must jump up in the air. When I land back, now I have to go down in a one squat. Then I have to come up out of the squat and then I have to go back in a one lunge. And then I have to bring forward the foot and go back in a one next lunge. I don't feel say something too much something that once my day doing a one something. I don't feel say my equilibrium after me just jump around my body all of them something here. When I able for them and I come mash me up in my car, I'm not pay insurance for me. Anyway, Rahman, me and you know because me I done a 30-day challenge in here, me and you. When that done now, the man say must opposite. Alright, that one ain't no bad. So like you put on the anya upon the ground and you put on the opposite foot and you lift out the anya. So right, so all them something. Me see them I do like clockwork and so you know so my body no run smooth, so my body want high. Anyway, so that done now, hand walk out half burpee. Make I tell you something. You see, if we don't have any type of exercise, something you want me endorse, or even want me try, don't put no burpees in there. Burpee coming like tuna to me. If for me, all of the tuna in the world would have swim free and rejoice and come in a one, I mean, that is the same when me feel about burpee, I have no interest in it. So me supposed to double up so, like 6:30. Then me supposed to take time, walk out my hands and reach in a plank. Then me supposed to jump in my foot halfway up my body, then jump the foot back out in a plank. Then me supposed to walk and push back. So me try the first one. It never worked. Me sorry, my modify it now. You know what I have to end up do? Me take time walk out my body. Then I kind of just shift up my torso. And then I just take time climb up the ground like me I climb hill. Because between me and you, me not have what it takes to push my body back all the way. So it's a heap of body I have and a good amount of it is breast. I don't have what is required. Burpees, me and you, me depend on. So the next thing now I'm supposed to do crunch, open, close. You know what that is? You know what that means? That means I'm supposed to lie down on the ground. I'm supposed to do a crunch. And why I do crunch, my foot I'm supposed to go so. You're like scissors, so I like all of them type of something there. My body not mean make for work on horizontal and diagonal and vertical and them something there one time. Like me never make out of them something there. When I done after that, I'm supposed to do plank twist. That nobody go up on your elbow and you do some plank something. That never taught her could I kind of do that. So you feel say you don't do. So the man said 20 minutes, 30 minutes. 30 minutes if you're advanced because I think in figure you're going to get through several circuits. Of course, you know so the time done before me get through after the exercise then. So 40 minutes after now when I done the workout, I realize I have 2-minute abs. He said 2 minutes worth of abs. The man give me 5 different workout, 25 repetitions at each workout and for the first part, and then we're supposed to do another part when we do 20 repetitions at each workout, and that is supposed to take me 2 minutes. No, let me answer you something. What kind of clock this a man use? Am I a long count calendar? Him used to count a few years and days and minutes and seconds and them something there. Because all me supposed to do all of that in a 2 minutes. Look here, Rahman Grayson. I understand say your feet. I understand say your head ball. I understand say your body turn up. I understand that he's a trainer in Atlanta and them something here, and that you're rolling out this thing for free, and you feel like say people suppose you can do all of them something here. But between me and you, me is not a gerbil, me is not a Furby, me is not Barbie, me is not Superman, me is not Aquaman, me is not Sheldon Cooper from Big Bang Theory, me is no type of fiction and nothing. Me is a real human being, and real human beings cannot do the things that you are expecting us to do. Now maybe prisoners can do these things because they have an excess amount of spare time with which they can develop their body. But people like me, soft like pudding, I'm going to need to go easy with me. But you see, like how you have a bad attitude, but come to a decision, say, it is not me that is going to lose out into this, it is you, because come LRI water me and you in here. Me not drinking 100 and something ounce of water in a day because them say that my liver and my kidney cannot take it. And I said that I cannot take so much trips to the water station because I'm not have them big back around here. I know like Jamaica, I have to pump a truck and them something here. But you, Rahman Grayson, you is a Shaun T in disguise, and today I find you out and I'm putting you on the same list that I am putting on. This 30-day challenge, I am going to yam it up and spit it out. Oh, remember said the man tell me I can't eat no fried food, no fast food, and no alcohol. Might as well him tell me don't bother have no sex because I come in like him a train me for turn the boxer. Not that sex is an option right now. Not that I don't really need to care about that. Anyways, so I will be doing some updates on this thing. If anybody else who is doing it, please link me. Follow me at More Mayhem. Talk to me at More Mayhem about this challenge. Or link me on Facebook, facebook.com/MooreTalkJa, and you know MooreTalkJa.wordpress/WordPress. WordPress go. Guys, that's a sign that I'm not updating regularly. Either way, love, peace, chicken grease. Take care of yourself. Take care of one another. Bye.